Today we talked about ordered pairs. They're just like from lessons 10.3 and 10.4 we talked about number pairs. Well, ordered pairs is the actual proper term for number pairs. We talked about the x-axis versus the y-axis, and the fact that that this is an ordered pair, and that this first number is the x coordinate, this number is the y coordinate, and right here, this point right here at 0, 0 is the origin. So let's do some problems. This is very similar to what's on the homework. Number 1 says, use this coordinate grid A, this is what this is called, a coordinate grid, to write an ordered pair for the given point. So the first thing it says is find the ordered pair for C. Okay, that's this one right here. So when you graph an ordered pair or identify an ordered pair, x comes first. And you can remember that because x is before y in the alphabet, so x comes first. So we are going 6 squares, we're counting to 6 along the x-axis. And so the x-coordinate is 6, and then we are going 3 spaces along the y-axis. We're going up 3 places. So that is, the y-coordinate is 3. And that's how you figure out your ordered pair. So let's do a couple more. D, that's this one right here. The x-coordinate is 3 because we're going along this horizontal axis 3 times. And the y-coordinate is actually 0 because we're not going up the y-coordinate at all. It stays right here where we left it. So that is, the y-coordinate is 0. So, letter E, which is right here, is the y-coordinate is 9. So we go over 9, so the x-coordinate is what I meant to say. The x-coordinate is 9 because we are traveling 9 places, and then we go up the y-axis also 9 times. So this one is actually 9, 9. Okay, now we're going to find the coordinates for F, which is right here. To get to F, we travel 10 along the x-axis, and then we go along the y-axis 5 times. So that'd be 10, 5. By the way, it's very important not to flip these numbers. 10, 5 and 5, 10 are very different points. This is 10, 5. 5, 10 would be over 5, up 10. This is 10, 5. This is 5, 10. This is 10, 5. As you can see, they're very, very different. They're very different. So do not mix these up. Always do x first. So now we're going to plot and label some points. That means we're just going to put a dot where these points are, and then we're going to put the letter next to it so we know, so each one has a name like these do. So 5, it says M is 0, 9. So that means we go 0 along the x-axis, means we don't travel along it at all. Okay? And then we go along the y-axis 9 times. Okay? So this is letter M, the 0, 9. Now that's different than 9, 0, which would be over here. And we don't have that on our list, so I'm going to take that off. Okay. Now 6 says letter H is at 8, 6. So we travel 8 along the x-axis and then 6 on the y-axis. And that is letter H right there. Number 7 is 10, 4. So we travel 10 along the x-axis and then up 4 along the y-axis, and that is letter K. And 8 is 4, 5, so that's 4 along the x-axis and 5 along the y-axis, and that is letter T. And number 9 is 5, 10. Ooh, I just talked about that. 5, 10, which is all the way up here, and that is W. Ooh, I wrote over this. This is T. Number 10 is 1, 3. Let me change colors so you can actually see it. 1, 3 is over 1, up 3, which is right here. And that, oh, I'm writing over T again, is R. Let me rewrite. This is T. Okay. And that's pretty much it. We learned about how to identify ordered pairs and how to plot them. It was a pretty easy lesson for most of them.